Hello everybody, how are you? It's Elena. I hope you're doing great. I'm doing excellent because today we're going to eat a yummy burger and 2 hash browns. Okay, this is a chicken burger. So I have inside chicken patty, cheese, grilled onions, what else? Jalapeno, lettuce, barbecue sauce, mustard, mayonnaise, and ketchup. Okay, and for drink I have just plain water because I'm boring. Okay, I'm super excited, so I'm going to eat this first. Oh no. I think it's going to be a little bit messy. Okay, I'm going to show you guys. Whoa. This is how it looks like. I burned my chicken patty intentionally, so the hash browns, and I have ketchup. Yes. Oh my gosh, it's falling apart. No. I'm gonna try the hash brown. Also burned because I like burnt food. And if it's burnt, it's crispier, which I like. Oh. So good. Okay, every time that I eat burgers, it's like super messy. I don't know why. I don't know how this happens. Oh no. Please don't fall. Actually, this is not my favorite kind of burger, but it's what I have in here. So that's my phone. Okay, I'm going to take out this napkin. Yeah. Okay, today I don't feel like super chatty. I'm just hungry. jalapeno. I was thinking maybe for the next video make I don't know, some kind of duck, but I don't know what to think about that. Let me know. It's actually really cold today here. And that makes me happy because I hate hot weather. I'm so happy. Dip it in. Also, I'm super happy because this is my favorite season of the year. Like, I'm already feeling Christmassy and all that things, so I really liked it. You like this? It's so cute. And I'm getting full already. I wish I had some kind of dessert, but I don't have any. I'm too lazy to go to buy something. It's so freaking messy. Onion. I'm so sorry. I'm always coughing. Oh my god. It's like napkin number 20. Oh my gosh, I'm so full. Almost done. Oh my gosh. No. Okay, I think this is going to be the last bite. It's a little bit big, but who cares? Fuck it. Oh my gosh. I'm done. Now I want a nap or something. Okay guys, so I think this is all for now. If you like this video, remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.